Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by for yet another video. I do appreciate that, and as always, I appreciate you. So, what we have here says flooding threat for Western Australia as tropical low develops near Kimberley coast. It says the first official tropical cyclone in the Australian Basin may form within the next day or two, with Western Australia being put on alert for potential impacts. A tropical low has already formed just off the coast of Kimberley, and further strengthening into the first tropical cyclone of the season is possible through Thursday. The exact track of the low will determine whether it strengthens into a cyclone off the coast of Kimberley or remains too close to the coast and stays weaker. That did not make any sense, I don't believe. But as you can see here, there is possible flood threats along the coast here around Broome, and heavy rain as well coming out of the Timor Sea and the Indian Ocean. Now it says regardless of track, heavy rain will threaten areas from Kimbolton to Derby and Broome into Friday. Now waves of heavy rain will also move inland across parts of northwestern Western Australia. Any areas that get trapped under a more persistent band of rain could also see some flash flooding. Now they are expecting rainfall amounts of 4 to 8 inches, with local amounts up to 12 inches. Areas of the Kimbolton and Willard to Gingera should be on alert for possible flash flooding as well. The threat for damaging winds will be dependent on if the low is able to strengthen into a full-blown tropical cyclone or if it remains weak or less organized. Now, should the low remain off the coast and in warm waters of the Indian Ocean, there is a window for further development into a tropical cyclone, said AccuWeather senior meteorologist Jason Nichols. A Category 1 cyclone, based on the Bureau of Meteorology scale, which is the equivalent of a tropical storm in the northern Pacific and Atlantic Oceans, is possible if the low tracks far enough offshore on Wednesday and Thursday. Now, seas will also become rough for boaters and swimmers as the storm moves near the coast into Thursday. Depending on the exact track, storm surge flooding could also be an issue for some coastal communities. Moisture from this system may eventually reach southeastern Western Australia and western South Australia late this weekend or early next weekend, added Nichols. The formation of this cyclone will commence with what AccuWeather long-range meteorologists anticipate will be a near normal tropical season across the Australian Basin. A total of 10 tropical cyclones is expected this year. 4 to 5 of those can become severe tropical cyclones with sustained winds in excess of 73 miles per hour. However, regardless of the number of storms, we envision another season with several tropical lows impacting northern Australia, much like last season, which could result in flooding, the long-range team stated. So, again, yet another possible tropical storm cyclone to keep an eye out on. This is just the beginning of the Australian Basin tropical storm season, if you will. They're expecting at least 10 storms this year, but first of all, we're going to focus on this one, and I'll definitely keep you guys up to date on this possible tropical cyclone over the next couple days as it develops or it doesn't develop. But I'll keep you guys up to date for sure. And thanks for watching these videos, guys, and supporting the channel. I mean, I just can't thank you enough for that, because we're growing every day because of you. But other than that, be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.